हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन में से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 433। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। मैडम, आई शुड लाइक टू रेफर टू सम ऑफ द वोट्स ऑन दिस बिल, particularly vote number 50 regarding the Ministry of Home Affairs. Stop. A good deal has been said about the need for the relaxation of the present state of emergency. Stop. I would not be one of those who would like to weaken the defense effort of the government, and I think that the time has come, in view of our experience of the proclamation of the emergency, for us to think in terms of amending the constitution, increasing the powers of the union government in respect of the control of the economic life of this country. Stop. This should be a part of our regular constitutional framework. Stop. What I should like to see the incorporation of a large number of provisions of the Defence of India Act in the constitutional powers which the Union government enjoys at present, particularly those powers relating to the economic life of the community. Stop. I am not very happy at the large number of persons who have been detained in jail, and in view of the general relaxation of conditions on the border, I think that the time has come for government to release all persons unconditionally. Stop. At present, by elections are being held in various states, and it means that the election commission as well as the government of India have come to accept the position that the conditions are so far improved that the ordinary democratic processes can function. Stop. If that is the case, there is no need whatever for the detention of persons in jail on account of the emergency. Stop. What I should like to recommend to the government is that, barring the provisions that they have in respect of the control of the economic life of the community, they should allow normal conditions to return. Stop. Now I should like to refer to vote number 8 on the defense services. Stop. I believe it is generally known to this house and the country that recruitment to the army has not been satisfactory, and that a large number of young persons have not come forward to offer themselves for recruitment. Stop. There have been pockets of grievances in many states that persons who could not answer in English at the interview have been rejected, and a deputation waited on the Prime Minister to urge upon him the need for review of cases of rejection. Stop. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करें, और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हों तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलें। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। थैंक्स।